Hey y'all, good afternoon y'all. How are you all doing this afternoon? Y'all, I'm up trying to get some last few minute things done. You know, before I lay down for today. I got to get my oil changed and go over with him and wash this truck. Because it needs to be clean. That's all there is to it. Y'all, it's always something that got to be done. I'll tell you the truth. I'm glad I don't have to go in until tonight. Until tonight. I got me a job I don't mind going to, y'all. I don't mind it at all. Thank you, Lord, for that. Let me turn the camera around. See, Brewton, Alabama. Brewton. It's a little small little town. I mean, everybody's just busy today. I guess they busy because today's Friday. Everybody trying to get the car washed. If they ain't trying to get the car washed, they're trying to get the oil changed. I tell you the truth. One person over here, they don't know what lane they want to get in. There's our little urgent care. Almost finished. Still drying. Playing around out here, y'all. We gotta get on up out of here. Find me a good spot. If I can back in the car. Okay, y'all. Be blessed later.